Well, it's almost nighttime, and we're out of power. It's already a foot of snow on the ground, more, another foot tonight. It's freezing cold in the house. Nicole's parents are stuck on the road about a block from here, so we gotta figure out how to get them in. And Olivia's afraid of the dark, and I'm freezing because I've lost all my body heat now that I'm skinny. Well, yeah, we all wanted a big storm. Now we got it. Alright, it's nighttime. We've got like 15 inches of snow. No power. It's cold in here, but not that cold. And Olivia and Mommy are playing with train set, waiting for the power to come back on.